Sa mga gusto mga mag-VA dyan, top 3 things na dapat meron ka para masabing ready ka. First is equipment. Dapat guys, may equipment ka, yung specs is tama, meron ka at least 10 Mbps na internet, backup connection para magkaroon kayo ng chance magkausap na client kapag nawalan ka ng connection o ng kuryente. Second is sample projects. I know na wala kang experience, that's okay. Madaming agencies tumatanggap na ganyan at may mga direct clients na natanggap ng walang experience. Pero, gawa ka ng fake social media page or fake social media account. Palaguin mo siya, makipag-engage ka doon, padamihin mo yung followers, tapos gamitin mo siya as your case study on how well you do your social media and your marketing. Third, online profile. Guys, huwag niyong kakalimutan ni optimize ang online profile niyo, whether it's Upwork, online jobs, hire talent, o kahit ano pang platform. Kasi guys, dito kanila titingnan. Doon pa lang, titingnan nila kung ready ka, ano yung skills mo, etc. So if you have these 3 things, the rest you can always do skill up. Pero kung wala ka nitong tatlo, then guys, mahirapan ka talagang maging virtual assistant. So, yun lang. Thank you.